everybody, it's Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some reviews with you guys. I know I had said I probably won't do them as often, and I probably won't do them as often as I was doing them. I'm going to do more, I think I do kind of a mix of stuff. I know I do a lot of beauty. I do some reviews every once in a while. I do subscription boxes, and then I'm going to do some more planner stuff. So definitely let me know if you guys think that would be a good idea. I think one of the first planner videos I'm going to share with you guys, I think I'm going to do a video on different things you can do with washi tape, because I think it's really fun and interesting to show you guys stuff that I've seen and learned how to do with a planner, because some people can look at washi tape and be like, I don't know. And I have some tips that I think could be helpful to people, so that's really fun. I'm going to share with you guys with some stuff, and then I will let you know to the best of my knowledge. A lot of stuff I don't remember. How much I paid or stuff like that, but a lot of the stuff that I get and show you guys, I'm going to put on disclosure from now on, and my disclosure is that I got a lot of these for discounted or for free. So I will try to remember. I think the stuff that I'm showing you guys today, I think I know all those, so I definitely will let you know. The first thing I want to share with you guys is this mole remover / tattoo remover. I'm going to be using it to remove my tattoo right here. It says in the instructions that it does hurt a little bit, and it does hurt a little bit, so I'm going to wait till I get some numbing cream. But my friend used this as well. He used it on his tattoo, and he got like, he pushed it like way too hard on there and held it on there. So he got some of his skin off, but it removed his tattoo a little bit. So, and then there's different levels to this. So you can go from level 1 to level 9, and then there's a little booklet that came with it, and it actually tells you what you're trying to do. Like if you're trying to remove a freckle, if you're trying to remove a mole, if a large mole or a small mole, if you're trying to move a small tattoo, what level to have it on. And it says, you know, that you don't penetrate the skin, of course. You just push this little button right here and just do it. So once I get the numbing cream, I will be doing it on my tattoo. So I will definitely be showing you guys that once I see how that works out. And then I will also I have a mole on my back that I might have my husband remove. It's never grown or anything, it's just been there. I know the only problem with that would be with removing moles is that I think some moles could be cancerous and some of them aren't. I don't know. I guess if it's not growing and growing, you know it's not. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure if I would be comfortable doing that, but if you are, this is a neat little tool. I know you guys like to see different stuff from me, and I think I show a huge variety of some interesting stuff, that's for sure. But yeah, this is really cool so far. I was super impressed. It doesn't hurt a lot. It's just, with the fact that I have to do it more and more, I want to get the numbing cream to do it just because. So it kind of feels like, just like being poked with a needle, or like, it's got kind of like a burning sensation a little bit. But it didn't bother me a whole lot, but the fact that you have to keep doing it, I think I'm just going to do the numbing cream. So yeah, that's really neat. I'll have that link down below. You guys can check out people's reviews on that. If you scroll down on, I think this was on Amazon. If you scroll down, you can see other people's reviews, and you might be able to see their progress photos of what they did. I just wanted to show you guys that and tell you that I think it really will work from what I've seen so far. I wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to get the numbing cream, and then I will update you on whether or not that bad boy works really good. The next thing, I paid for this, and then once I finish my review, good or bad, that's what I love about this stuff, is that I don't have to say anything good about this stuff. If I really don't like it, I will let you guys know. The next thing that I got, I had to purchase, and then I will get the money back. And since I use Honey, I got a coupon code for this too. So definitely use Honey if you're not, because that's a good way to save money. This is a folding balance beam, okay? So this folds up to store when you're not using it, which I think is amazing. And then it folds out really, really huge. I will try to write down here how long this is for sure, so you guys can see it. But they had a few different colors. I picked this one so I can do some stuff practicing with my daughters and my son. One of my daughters had physical therapy for her foot, and it's really good for her to practice walking flat with her foot. So this is really amazing for her physical therapy too. So, I mean, it's not just, and then my other daughter is super interested in joining gymnastics and stuff like that. So she'll get to learn how to do the beam and different tricks. So we'll have that at home for her to practice as well. So I thought that was really cool, and my daughters would absolutely love that, and they do. They have their sisters from their dad come over and play on that too. They absolutely love it. So I think it's really, really cute. I think it's inexpensive. To me, I would purchase that myself for my daughters, especially for the coupon that I found. I got a really good deal. So I would definitely recommend that. Especially if you want to let your kid practice ballet, or I mean not ballet, gymnastic stuff. If you want to just for exercise, like for my daughter's physical therapy, it's perfect. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that bad boy. Next is one of the coolest things. I can't show it to you because I'm not done with it, but I'm going to show you a picture. Okay, this is what it's going to look like when I'm done. I am obsessed. I mean obsessed with Beauty and the Beast, and I've applied for. You have to apply to do reviews on this stuff, and I've applied for every single one, and I was so excited when I got approved for this one because I love Beauty and the Beast. This is a 5D diamond painting, is what they're called. You have this little stick, or this little drill. You put wax inside the drill, and then you pick up the diamond and you put it on this canvas. The canvas has the symbols right here, the symbols on there. And then you find the bag. So bag 7 will be number 2 all over the canvas. And it's sticky on the canvas. So you put the diamond piece on there. And then when you're done, you put a book on top of it, you push. And then I'm going to find something to frame it in. So I cannot wait to show you guys. Definitely let me know down below if you absolutely want me to show you. Otherwise, I will for sure try to remember to show you guys. And I will definitely be posting on my Instagram. I'm posting progress on my Facebook if you want to see that. If you're not on my Facebook, I'll try to post it to my Facebook fan page. I guess I would call it a fan page. It's called Christina Sanders. It's a Facebook page that I post just reviews and stuff on there. So yeah, the only thing that I would say is that since it was my first time, I didn't understand how to do it. So the first thing I did was I grabbed bag 4 and I started putting it all over the 4s. And bag 4 is supposed to go with the G's. It's where like all the diamonds that are on bag 4 are supposed to go on the spot with the G on the canvas. So I had to take all, let's see, how many pieces is it? 161. I had to take all 161 pieces because I had finished the complete bottom and I ran out of pieces, and I was like, well, that's weird. So yeah, I did that wrong. So it's taking me a little longer than it probably would have. But I'm going to finish it up. I've gotten progress on the rows. I think I'm going to try to do the green today, and then I'm going to work more on the bottom. And then I've got some done up here on it and across the top. So I'm getting closer to getting done. I can't wait to finish this. But I don't remember the price on this. I do believe I got this for like a super discount, if not free. So I was super excited to get this, but I will be buying more. I saw this really cool colorful cat one that I absolutely want to get. So yay, I'll be excited for that one. The next, just let me know if you guys want to see all my 5D diamond paintings. I think I'm going to do more of these. I'm just going to make sure I do them one at a time because they actually take, quite a bit of time. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is called this It Cosmetics Brow Power. I got this in a swap. So I got it for free, but I did send her stuff as well. So the cost of the shipping of that stuff and the stuff that I sent her, you know what I mean? Like, we just swapped, I think. So anyways, this is really cool. I like this because it has this and the spoolie. I love me some spoolies, especially when it's on it, because I just take both the lids off, draw my brow, comb it through, draw the brow, comb it through. Love it. My only problem with this is that I think it's just a little bit too thick. For what I prefer, I like it to be a little thinner than even this. But this is workable. I just need to figure out how to work with it a little better. I think if I just kind of do smaller like that, But, I mean, just with the other one that I use, it's just so much thinner that I absolutely love it. But this is a really good one. I think it just takes a little bit of time to work with it for me. But it's a universal taupe. I did use this for a look. And I don't remember. I think I posted on my Instagram. So I'll have to see. I will definitely have to put that I use this next time when I do a look with it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But I did a good job with it, so it wasn't too bad. The next thing I want to show you guys is this Julep Glow Highlighting Powder. This I also got in the same swap. It is so beautiful. I absolutely adore this packaging. It's a matte black on a glossy black. I don't know. That just is impressive to me. I think it looks very luxe. This mirror is the size of this. There's no room here. It's just the mirror, okay? Then it has a little cover, and then I'm going to try to show you this without the mirror. This is so pretty. When I first saw it, I thought it was a little gold, and she was like, no, it's like a champagne color. So I'm so glad that I picked this up. The color is called champagne, and I couldn't see that when I saw the swap thing for it. But this is what it looks like. I've worn this, and I absolutely think it's beautiful. Look at that. That's just one swipe, man. So pretty. I like this a lot. So I'm definitely going to be using that more. So far, I really like it. If that changes, I will definitely let you guys know. The next thing is this Selfie palette. This Love Your Selfie. It's a pure palette, and I've wanted to try pure. I don't remember if my Soiree Diaries one was pure, but if it is, I love that palette too. But this has a mirror that's about this size of it. It's like almost the whole size of it. It's got a little border. Comes with the eyeshadow instructions in case you want to see it, how to do it. Then it came with a mascara and a lippy, but she kept those, which is totally fine. I just really wanted to try these eyeshadows. This says, beauty is confidence, wear it proudly, pure. I did a look with this the other day, as you can see. This was brand new when I got it. So she just took the stuff out and then I guess didn't want to use it. I'm thinking of deep potting this because I don't use these two. So I could send these to my friend. But they're so beautiful. It lasted. I feel like it lasted the whole day too. And I have to try it again and let you guys know for sure. But I feel like it lasted longer than most eyeshadows do for me. And I don't even think I used a primer. So I need to try it with a primer too to see if that helps it last even longer. I mean, I could not believe how beautiful the look that I created turned out. You guys, if you watched, what video was it? I can't remember what video it was. I'll try to, if I remember, I'll link it right, or I'll put the name of the video right here. I was wearing the makeup from that in that video, and oh my god, I just loved it so much. And even in the pictures, it just looks so pretty. I love it. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is this. I found this on Amazon. I bought this with my own money. I found this set. This is a set. I think I got this for like $5. If I can find this set, I will link it down below because I think it is so cool. Let me know if you guys want to see another one of my vlog style videos. I did one with a black mask vlog style. But this is a charcoal black peel off mask thing in this one. It's a little smushed up here, but that's okay. Came with a cat ears headband and a silicone tip sponge thing. And I actually have some, what do you call them, tips to do with that. So I will definitely be sharing that with you guys soon. I cannot wait to show you guys. It's going to be so cool. But I definitely want to try this out on camera, I think. I think I could just use it all together for $5, guys. $5. I know you can order these probably on Wish for like $1 with $1 shipping, but this is on Amazon. So I'm pretty sure I got it in like 2 days because I have Prime. So I mean, it was worth not waiting for sure. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is I'm going to be doing this unboxing next. So if you guys are excited to see that, definitely stay tuned. But I was sent this to share and review for you guys. So sorry about the lighting. The sun is going down and I'm still trying to get used to my new house in the where to film. So this is not a good place at this time. So I'll remember that. But yeah, definitely let me know if you guys are excited to see what's in that box. I don't even know what's in that box. I'm super excited. That's why I didn't look on the site because I don't want to see any sneak peeks or anything on their Instagram. But if you guys want to see some sneak peeks or something, you can check that out and then check out my video so you can see what I got. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that video. Like my video if you guys like me sharing reviews with you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then comment down below. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, if you've done any DIY 5D paintings, diamond paintings. They're so cool. I really want to do the Starry Night one too. I've seen a 2-pack with Starry Night and another one. I cannot wait to do that one. I want to order that one next, I think. That one or the cat one. So I'll definitely let you guys know. But yeah, definitely comment down below. Just say hi. I love to hear from you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.